Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the things that comes out of the question I asked yesterday, and we'll examine and give details of of a few of the answers specifically. So let's start first with unsupported people. All of you out there that are unsupported. So I got a lot of comments through the video that I posted yesterday about the question I asked about, if you have an unsupported machine, would you actually upgrade to Windows 11 if you were given a chance? And I also have people that send me emails through the email that you see on the screen, which is the one that I use all the time when I do videos. And, well, it's interesting because, when we say that Microsoft might have kind of made a mistake with the minimum requirement in a way in the adoption rate of Windows 11, more than half, a majority, about 65% of all the answers that I've got tell me that if they would tomorrow morning give access to Windows 11, remove the minimum requirements, about 60 to 65% of all the answers I get is I would definitely go to Windows 11 because I want the latest version all the time. So this is interesting. Is it surprising? Well, 60, 65% is not a huge number. I mean, there's still 40% of unsupported that said, no, I'm fine on Windows 10. And even if I was offered, I would not. So definitely it's still a big chunk of people that would not want to go there. But it is surprising the amount of people that say, yeah, I would like to go to Windows 11. I would like to have that chance and have the possibility of going there with, not having to worry about the minimum requirements preventing me from going. You even had a few people that did, for a while, go on Windows 11 unsupported, came back to Windows 10 because they thought it was a little too complicated when there were new versions they were not offered. You have to reinstall or to install it yourself, and they found it a little too complicated. Some even have had it on the Insider program. If you remember well, on the Windows Insider program, there was the possibility of going on Windows 11 until at some point they told people that are unsupported that they would be sent back to Windows 10, and that's pretty much what happened. And I've had some say while they were on Windows 11, they actually liked it. They found it cool. They found it nice, and they find it sad that they were sent back to Windows 10. So this is interesting answers. And of course, for the unsupported, the 40%-ish unsupported that don't want to go, many have just said, I think the majority of the answers is mostly, my Windows 10 is stable, works fine, no glitch. Why risk it? Why go to something else that I'm not sure? Maybe it could be buggy. Maybe the upgrade process could be buggy. Why not stay here? It works fine. That probably goes to the majority of the unsupported 40% that would not want to go to Windows 11. But it's interesting to see that given the chance, a surprising amount of people would say, yeah, I want to go to Windows 11 if they were, of course, supported. So that kind of tells you that maybe we would have a bigger number of Windows 11 users if it wasn't the fact that the minimum requirements are blocking a lot of people. Interesting stats when you look at the way that it's actually happening. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.